Welcome to the Air Control Heating and Cooling website, one of the fast-growing HVAC contractors in Ottawa region. Our mission is to be the premier HVAC contractor for residential and commercial solutions in the Ottawa area. The Air Control Heating and Cooling offers informed technicians, high-quality installations, 24/7 emergency service, 100% customer satisfaction, environmentally safe solutions. We are dealing in all models of renowned Lennox brand for air conditioners, furnaces, and other air quality products. Also offer you maintenance and repair services. Feel free to contact us. 1902 Robertson Road, number 202, Ottawa, Ontario. Phone number 613-868-1944.